Come soar on the EIT Community NEB adventure. Glide through the 7 programs pioneering the new European Bauhaus transformation. First stop, experience what the NEB future holds and create new ideas from scratch. Next, we fly to where your ideas flourish and blossom into reality. Is your idea a disrupting unicorn poised to rock the global market, or an affectionate social project creating beauty and sustainable living with and for all? Perhaps we land here, link with a city or region and co-create their public space with locals. Elevate your projects to the next level and even bring them to a new country. Last stop, lucky number 7, to become a NEB mentor, sharing your wisdom. Regardless of where you're from or where you want to go, we are here to democratize EU funding and make it accessible to everyone. So, join us today on the EIT Community NEB journey.